The Black Aeroplane. Miracle, mystery, divine power, illusion, compass, twist, runway, radar. The new words. Dakota 088. That's runway. Compass. Airport control room. Namaskar, myself M.K. Mishra, TGT English of JNV Devghar, Jharkhand. Before I start face-to-face video, I wish to discuss the key point of the lesson, the Black Aeroplane. Here, a pilot, old Dakota aeroplane, flies in midnight over Paris, France towards England. He dreams of spending holiday with his family. He wants to have breakfast with the family in the morning. Unfortunately, he passes through huge black clouds. The compass, radio, other instruments turn dead. Suddenly, he notices a black aeroplane in front of him. The pilot of the aeroplane instructs him to follow. He follows like an obedient child, but in the meantime, his fuel tank gets exhausted. Now, suddenly he notices a row of light on the ground. It's a runway. He lands safely on that runway. He goes to the control room and asks about the other aeroplane. But he is dumbstruck to know that there is no aeroplane noticed on the radar that night. Many questions remain unanswered, mysterious, and unsolved. Who helps him to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel in his tanks? Who is the pilot of the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? Now, please wait for the face-to-face video to explain the lesson. Hello friends, as you have read in the key points and the previous slides of that story, The Black Aeroplane. Now I am here with the detailed explanation, and as you know, the story shifts between miracle and mystery. Actually, when we start this story, The Black Aeroplane, I would like to convey you one thing. Keep always in your mind, there is one important question that will be asked in the examination. This story is a mystery. How this story is a mystery, that is the most important theme of this story. So please keep in your mind. And now I would like to start. The main character of the story is a pilot, and he is flying at night in his old Dakota aeroplane, that is DS-088. And he's traveling from France to England, from Paris to London. The traveling is very good, as he intimated. The Paris control room, the sky is clear, the stars are shining in the sky, and he was dreaming of his holiday and looks forward to meet his family. Along with that, he also thinks about having a good big English breakfast with his family. राइटर यहाँ बहुत ही स्वच्छ आसमान में पेरिस कंट्रोल रूम को इंटीमेट करता है और अपने डेकोटा के साथ वो उड़ान भरता है, और उसके मन में छुट्टी के सपने हैं और एक खूबसूरत नाश्ते का जो वो इंग्लैंड में करने वाले हैं। मॉर्निंग में सुबह सुबह उस सपने को लिए हुए वो चल रहे हैं. And everything is okay. And soon the Paris now left 150 kilometers behind. But suddenly something happened. What happened? There was a huge mountain of clouds forward that signaled upcoming storm. And that stormy cloud was great danger to continue his traveling in his old Dakota. He knew, the writer knew that he might return back to Paris as it is only 150 kilometers. And he also knew that it would be unsafe and dangerous for him to fly in this bad weather. But he decides to take a risk. That one question is asked in the examination, why he has decided to take a risk. Actually, he decided to continue his flight in that stormy night, in that cloud, because he is very eager to reach his home in the morning. He is very curious to enjoy the English breakfast with his family in the morning. And so he decided to take a risk. And now, the second question I would like to discuss here. When the writer decides to go into the storm, then what happened? What are the experiences he had felt in this stormy cloud? That is the most important question, and now I would like to discuss. When he entered in this stormy cloud, suddenly everything gets dark. अचानक सब कुछ काला हो जाता है जब वह फैसला करता है कि इस तूफानी रात में वो यात्रा करेगा और वो पेरिस नहीं लौटेगा. वो सुबह अपने फैमिली के साथ ब्रेकफास्ट लेगा, लेकिन सब कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा हो जाता है. एवरीथिंग गेट्स डार्क एंड his aeroplane, his old Dakota, was twisting in the air. All the instruments that shows the direction, like compass, radio, were completely dead. He tried to make a contact with the Paris control room, but his radio was not functioning. His compass was not functioning. When he was on his verge of giving all his hopes, he saw another aeroplane whose pilot was waving at him in order to instruct him to follow. अचानक क्या होता कि एक ब्लैक एरोप्लेन सामने उपस्थित हो जाता. ये मिरेकल है कि when he had lost all his hopes, जब वो सारी उम्मीदों को छोड़ देता तो एक ब्लैक एरोप्लेन वहां अपीयर होता, waving his hands, उसे ऐसे वेव करता जैसे मानो इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहा हो to follow him. And half an hour passed. That strange black aeroplane was moving just straight to the old Dakota, and the writer was obeying, following, chasing that black aeroplane like an obedient child. And the pilot of the old Dakota, means the writer, was flying in that stormy cloud and following that black aeroplane, and everything was okay. But suddenly the pilot begins to worry as the fuel of his aeroplane was almost finishing. अचानक क्या होता है कि उसके एरोप्लेन के ईंधन समाप्त होने के कगार पर है. एंड ही वॉज अफ्रेड. वो बिल्कुल डर जाता कि अब क्या होगा. लेकिन फिर एक नया मिरेकल होता, फिर एक नया रहस्य जो आप सोच नहीं सकते ऐसा क्यों हुआ. सडनली ही केम आउट ऑफ द क्लाउड्स. अचानक वो बादलों से बाहर आ जाता एंड साउ द लाइट ऑफ द रनवे इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम. और एक रनवे, एरोड्रम का, एयरपोर्ट का रनवे उसके सामने है. एंड द राइटर ऑफ द ओल्ड डेकोटा वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. द पायलट ऑफ द ओल्ड डेकोटा वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. And he found himself lucky to be rescued. He was sure that now he may land on this airport very safely, because the fuel of his aeroplane is running short and he was not able to continue his journey not more than 5 to 10 minutes. 5 से 10 मिनट से ज्यादा उसके पास ईंधन नहीं थे और अचानक सब कुछ बदल जाता है और वह स्वतंत्र उस सुरक्षित खतरे से बाहर उस एयरपोर्ट पर लैंड करने के लिए तैयार हो जाता, एक्चुअली लैंड कर भी जाता। लैंड करने के बाद when he turned back to look for the aeroplane or the pilot of the black aeroplane who helped him, he turned back, वो पीछे मुड़ता, देखता कहाँ है वो पायलट ब्लैक एरोप्लेन का जिसने एक्चुअली उसकी मदद की थी। he could not find anyone, neither he found the aeroplane, black aeroplane, and nor his pilot. So he decided to go to the control room. फिर वो फैसला करता है कि वो कंट्रोल रूम जाएगा टू फाइंड दैट पर्सन एंड ही वुड पर्सनली थैंक हिम। वो उसे व्यक्तिगत रूप से धन्यवाद करना चाहता था फॉर हिज हेल्प। बट इट वॉज सरप्राइजिंग दैट वुमेन इन द टावर, द कंट्रोल रूम ऑफ द aeroplane explained that there was no other aeroplane flying that stormy night. The woman was surprised when the writer had asked the question, where is that pilot of the black aeroplane? Then she told, there was no such aeroplane flying in that stormy night. It was only his old Dakota that woman had detected on her radar. And do you think it is not surprising? That black aeroplane disappeared, the pilot disappeared, and even the latest technology, the radar was not able to detect that pilot, that black aeroplane. So this left him confused. This left the writer confused with many unanswered questions in his mind. Do you know what are the questions? अब राइटर कंफ्यूज हो जाता है, उसके दिमाग में कई अनुत्तरित प्रश्न आने लगते हैं और यही अनुत्तरित प्रश्न इस स्टोरी को बिल्कुल रहस्यमयी बना देता है। मैं उस अनुत्तरित सवालों का एक लिस्ट पढ़ता हूं कि हु वाज दैट पायलट, कौन था वो पायलट, व्हाई डिड ही वांट टू हेल्प द राइटर, वो राइटर को क्यों हेल्प करना चाहता था। When the writer had lost all his hopes, when all the instruments of his plane stopped functioning, in that dangerous situation, how suddenly the black aeroplane appeared and how suddenly the black aeroplane disappeared. And most important question, why the radar in the control room had not detected this black and that mysterious aeroplane. और ये सभी सवाल अनुत्तरित है। अब प्रश्न ये उठता है कि अगर आपसे पूछा जाए, because the poet has left the open ending of this story and he left for the reader that you have to decide what happened. आपको फैसला करना है कि क्या हुआ। Now if you wish to take my opinion, then I can say, do you think there is a divine power? Do you think there is a unseen power? Do you think there is a ghostly power? क्या कोई दिव्य शक्ति थी, क्या कोई अदृश्य शक्ति थी, क्या कोई भूत जैसी शक्ति थी जो अचानक राइटर के सामने अपीयर होता और फिर वो गायब हो जाता उसे मदद करके। लेकिन एक और सवाल जो मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है वो क्या है, illusion. When your mind that in the conscious state it can decide everything correctly, but in the fear, in the troublesome situation, भय की अवस्था में, when your mind moves from conscious to subconscious, जब आपका दिमाग सचेत से अचेत अवस्था, अवचेतन अर्धचेतन अवस्था में पहुंच जाता है, then you are not able to decide what is right and what is wrong. And maybe the writer was in illusion and his self-confidence boosted him to fly his aeroplane in that stormy cloud, and he did everything himself. He had the illusion of the black aeroplane in the black cloud. He had the illusion of the pilot. Maybe. उसके पास एक मति भ्रम भी हो सकता है। हालांकि मैं कतई डिवाइन पावर को नकार नहीं रहा हूं, मैं किसी अनसीन पावर को नकार नहीं रहा हूं, क्योंकि किसी कोई डिवाइन पावर या अनसीन पावर है या नहीं है, दिस इज द मैटर ऑफ रिसर्च, ये शोध का विषय है, मुझे नहीं पता। लेकिन यहां अगर सिंपली मैं आपको बताऊं, इट मे बी द इल्यूजन। तो आपके तीनों सवाल के उत्तर स्पष्ट है। राइटर ने रिस्क क्यों लिया? क्योंकि वो इंग्लिश ब्रेकफास्ट लेना चाहता था, अपनी फैमिली के साथ गुजारना चाहता था समय को, और वो छुट्टियां सपने में देख रहा था। दूसरा कि राइटर के जो एक्सपीरियंस थे जब वह इंटर कर जाता कहां, ब्लैक स्टॉर्मी क्लाउड में, तो वहां क्या क्या घटनाक्रम चलता है, कौन कौन से इवेंट्स होते हैं, उस पूरे को लिखने के बाद आपको उसके एक्सपीरियंस का आंसर मिलता है। और अंतिम सवाल कि स्टोरी मिस्टीरियस क्यों है? तो ऑब्वियसली द राइटर हैज लेफ्ट सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस बिफोर अस, बिफोर द रीडर, and so the story is mysterious. I hope you have understood the complete explanation of this story that is very interesting. Please read, and if you like this video, you must subscribe, because you will get the immediate notification when the next video will be uploaded. Thank you very much.